Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can add a link to your Instagram stories. That is, you have stories, you add a link there, and the person who will click on it will open the site. How do you do that? To do this, you choose a post that you need. For example, I'm going to copy the link to my post. Now we click Add Stories and start recording or add any ready-made stories. Now here we click on Sticker. Choose Link here. Specify the link that we need. Here we can click on Customize Sticker Text. Write Open, for example. Click on Done, and now our link is called Open. And as soon as a person clicks on it, the site or page we need will open. Let's check it. We press the button, View Story. We wait literally a couple of seconds. Our Stories is displayed. Let's wait. Now click on our Stories and click Open Link, and the link that we left opens up. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.